Hi guys, I've got something I wanted to share with you. I've got one of these tumblers that I use for jewellery. When I bought the tumbler, it comes with steel shot, and I think I said before I was expecting it to be stainless steel, but it's not. It's some sort of mild steel, and man, this stuff goes rusty while you look at it. It does a great job. But I looked on the internet to see, is it just me? And everybody seems to have the same problem. And I've looked, how do people clean the rust off the shot? And the bottom line is that they don't seem to. People have got all sorts of ideas for trying to do things, but I haven't seen anything that's satisfactory. So I thought, well, how can I reasonably get the rust off the shot? It's not deep rust, it's not flaking off or anything, but it discolours it, and then if you use it when it's rusty, it transfers that oxidization onto your metal that you're trying to tumble. And what I come up with is an extremely simple answer that, as far as I can say, it seems to be very effective. And all that I've done is taken one of these things, a pot scourer, pan scourer, and I'd got some that I'd cut into short sections for cleaning something up with. And all I've done is ripped off that Scotch Brite or whatever it is. I've got two little bits there, so that's, what's that, 2 inches by 1.5 inches, something like that. And I simply put that in the barrel with 2 drops of ordinary washing up liquid. You certainly don't want any more than 2 because it'll froth up and get you into all sorts of trouble. But the shot, my shot isn't rusty now. I'll give you a close-up of this, but what I do is I put the shot with the Scotch Brite in the tumbler. I probably left it for 10 minutes. I don't know, I can't remember how long I normally leave it, but you'll find what suits you for the degree of contamination you're trying to get rid of. After I've had it in there, I always tip it out into a sieve and then put it into a tray, and I rinse it and rinse it and rinse it to make sure that there's no little bits of Scotch Brite mixed up in the shot, and then I put it into a tray, check it again for any debris that might remain in the tray, and then I pop the tray in the oven and or the grill, pop it under the grill. And then I put the shot away. And if you're a jewellery maker, you probably get these come with some of your jewellery supplies, a little desiccant moisture absorbing gel. These come with the jewellery boxes that I buy, and I put them in the airing cupboard, make sure they're nice and dry, and I pop some of those in the plastic bag and tip the shot back into there and seal it, expel all the air and seal it. The other thing I found is I've been doing some work with pewter, and again I'll give you a close-up of that. And I've tumbled the pewter, and I put in the barrel bright, which is like a soapy material, in with the shot. And the pewter comes out and it's grey, and I thought, oh dear, I'm in trouble here. But that grey wipes off the pewter and it polishes off very nicely. But tumbling the pewter gives the sort of effect that I want, so I'm very happy with that. But again, that left the shot with a nasty grey coating all over it. And again, few minutes with the Scotch Brite and 2 drops of washing up liquid, and it's come out great. Anyway, I hope you find that interesting. I was going to go out and buy the stainless steel shot, which I don't really want to do because I'm only a hobby jeweller. But I don't think I need to, because I can clean this shot easily if it does get rusty. All the very best, guys. Ta-da.